kailangan mo ng report. So you have to bring the papers. Ano? Hindi naman ako kuha.
Ako po kasi nagtatanong dahil ako po ay pinapapatay ni dating Pangulong Duterte.
Eh, kung pinapatay kita, bakit buhay ka pa ngayon?
Successful po ba ang war on drugs ninyo?
Successful, ma'am. Na-minimize yung drug. You cannot entirely eradicate drugs because hanap buhay yan eh.
President, you are surrounded by, I believe, 4 lawyers.
Kailangan, ma'am.
Because you are a lawyer
I
yourself.
can take of myself. I can take care of
Yes.
myself. Magtanong na kayo na magtanong. Ano? Pag sinabi kong campaign against drug, you do it as a police officer. Nag-aral ka naman ng 2 years basic, sinunod mo lahat, you should follow. That if you go out of the way, I cannot answer for you.
Where do you draw the line of your responsibility in this war on drugs?
Because guilt is personal. You talk slower.
Okay.
Maybe maganda ka ang English mo, pero fortunately, hindi na iintindihan.